Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today the giveaway ended for the Dragon frame. So that ended at 8 o'clock this morning. Here's the actual video itself. So let's see, let's load up all the entries. There they all are. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up a new page here. Okay, so here we are. We are at the commentpicker.com, and so I'm going to go ahead and enter in the YouTube link for the video, and I'm filtering out duplicates so that way it does not find duplicate entries. And let's go ahead and so amount of unique commenters was 33. Okay, so we're going to hit start, and it's shuffling. Who are we going to pick? Myself. Okay, so that is not gonna win. That's awesome. Okay, let's pick another winner. That's hilarious. It's probably because I commented back. Okay, Roberto Garcia. So let me go to the page here. There we go. Roberto Garcia. Okay, so let's go to Roberto's page. Okay, so one of the stipulations was you have to use hashtag Dragon HX5 in your comment. And I'm sorry, Roberto, you did not use the hashtag, so we have to pick another winner. Shuffling. All right, Tony FPV. All right, so Tony FPV. Okay, so Tony FPV did use Dragon HK5 as the hashtag. Let's go to Tony's page here. And let's go to his channels. And there I am. So he is subscribed to my channel. So it does look like that Tony FPV is not in the U.S., and that was one of the other stipulations, that you had to be a U.S. resident. So I apologize, Tony. Looks like you're from Indonesia, and I don't do giveaways out of the country. It's just too complicated. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick another random winner. So let's see who we're going to get this time. Hope we get somebody that is Nerdcopter. So I believe I've seen Nerdcopter in my comments before, and I think he's in Louisiana. Okay, so Nerdcopter, hashtag Dragon HX5. You are good to go there. Okay, so let's go to his page. And let's make sure he is subscribed. I'm pretty sure that he is subscribed to my channel. So, let's go to channels, and let's filter through here. Let's see, subscriptions. There we go. Okay, so let's look for FPV Evil Monkey, and let's see, I think you're off the screen. There we go. Okay, so FPV Evil Monkey, he is subscribed to my channel. So let's give a big congratulations to Nerdcopter. Nerdcopter has won the Dragon HX5 frame. So, Nerdcopter, make sure to contact me directly. I think you know at this point, I've seen you have many of my comments. So make sure to contact me through either YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, however you want to. You can even go to my About page and send me an email directly, and then that way I can get this boxed up and get it sent out to you very quickly. So again, congratulations to Nerdcopter. He has won the Dragon HX5 frame. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the channel. If you haven't already, and if you want to, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button on here. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, as always guys, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.